Good morning, students. Today we'll start our new chapter number 13, that is surface areas and volumes. So in this chapter we have to find the area and volume related to solid shapes like cylinder, cone, cube, cuboid, hemisphere, sphere, etc. Alright. So in this first exercise we have to discuss about the surface area in which curved and total surface area will be counted for the solid shapes. So let us see the first example number 1. Rashid got a plain top laddu as his birthday present, which surprisingly had no color on it. He wanted to color it with his crayons. मतलब रशीद ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਲਾਡੂ, ठीक है, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਕਲਰਿੰਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ। He wanted to color it with his crayons. The top is shaped like a cone surmounted by a hemisphere. The plain top is in the shape of cone surmounted by hemisphere. So this is cone and this is hemisphere which is mounted on it. The entire top is 5 cm in height and the diameter of the top is 3.5 cm. The entire height, entire means from the top of hemisphere to the bottom of cone. Alright, this total height is how much? 5 cm. And the diameter is 3.5. It means the diameter of both cone and hemisphere should be same. ठीक है, जितना diameter cone का होगा same diameter is of hemisphere, that is 3.5. It means the radius is how much? 1.75. This is 1.75. Now we know that the height of hemisphere is equal to its radius. The height of hemisphere, this one, is equal to its radius. It means if radius is 1.75, then height is also 1.75. The height of hemisphere is 1.75. It means the remaining height is the height of cone. So we have to subtract this 1.75 from 5 cm. It is 3.25. So the 3.25 cm is the height of cone. Find the area he has to color. We have to find the total area which he has to color his plain top. Okay. So you can see here which area cover in the top of hemisphere. It is curved surface area, and also the curved surface area of cone should be covered. Total area to be colored is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cone. So we have to add the both curved surface area of hemisphere and cone. Now what is the curved surface area of hemisphere? It is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. And curved surface area of cone is pi r l. Pi r l. Now you can see here pi is common. R is also common because the radius of both hemisphere and cone should be same. So what should left at 2 r plus n. Now value of pi is given, that is 22/7. Radius is 1.75. Again radius is 1.75, and n is what? N is the slant height of cone, which is not given. So we have to find it first. What is the formula for n? It is under root x square plus r square. H square plus r square. So the height of this cone is 3.25. 3.25 square plus radius of this cone is 1.75. So first square is 3.25 and 1.75. So on solving this calculation, we get 3.69 approximately. 3.69 something. So you can round it to 3.7. 3.7. Or you can write 3.69 as it is. Clear, students? So now put the value here, 22/7 into 1.75. It means 175/100. Clear? 2 into r. It means 3.5. R is 1.75 into 2 is 3.5 plus L is started, which is 3.7. Now 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14 and 7 5 is 35. This 25 1 is 25, 25 4 is 100. 22 over 4 multiply 3.5 plus 3.7 is 7.2. Now this is cancelled. 4 1 is 4 and 4 8 is 32. Now multiply 22 and 1.8. So the total area which has to be colored is 39.6 centimeter square. Clear, students? So this is your example number 1. Next, this is example number 2. The decorative block shown in this figure is made up of two solids, that is a cube and a hemisphere. You can see here this is cube and this is hemisphere, which is fixed on the cube. The base of the block is a cube with edge 5 centimeter. So we know that the cube, this is the cube and its all edges are having equal length, which is given 5 centimeter. It means its length, breadth and height all are having same length, that is 5 centimeter. And a hemisphere fixed on the top has a diameter of 4.2 centimeter. So this is a hemisphere which fixed on the top of a cube. Its diameter is how much? 4.2 centimeter. 4.2 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the block, and we will use pi here 22 over 7. So find the total surface area of block. So first we will count the area for this cube. So we know that there are total 6 faces in a cube. Alright, 4 in curve and 1 in top and 1 in bottom. So there are total 6 faces, in which this hemisphere fixed on the top of a cube. It means 5 faces should be covered in this surface area. One from left, one from right, one from front and one from back, 4 faces and one from bottom. It means 5 faces are covered in this block. So we will write here total surface area of block. We know that each face is in the shape of a square and its area is how much? Side into side. Area of square is side into side. You have to multiply area of square with 5 because there are 5 faces. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 from bottom. There are 5 faces. 5 into area of square plus the top face of this cube is also in the shape of a square. This is the face of square and this is the hemisphere which fixed on the top of cube. So we will count this area. This is the square and this is what? The base of hemisphere is in the shape of circle. So you should subtract the area of circle from the area of square. The remaining portion will be counted. Alright. Write the area of square minus area of circle. The remaining portion will be counted in the surface area of solid block. Alright. Next, the hemisphere is fixed on the top of cube. So which area will be counted of hemisphere? Only curved surface area. So write here plus curved surface area of hemisphere. The first is 5 multiply area of square. Area of square minus area of circle. The remaining area from the top of block and the curved surface area of hemisphere also. side multiply side. So side of this cube is 5 centimeters. So 5 5s are 25. Area of square again 25, because the side is 5 centimeter. 5 5s are 25. Area of circle is pi r square. 22/7 multiply r square. Radius is 2.1 centimeter. Plus curved surface area of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Again 2.1 into 2.1. Alright. Next 25 5s are 125. This is 25 minus 7. To multiply 0.63. 2.1 multiply 0.3, 0.63 multiply 20. Solving this calculation, this is 27.7. Now subtract from 45, it is 11.14. 125, 11.14, 27.7. 163.86. (163.86 centimeter square) is the total surface area of this solid block. So this is example number 2. Next, this is example number 3rd. A wooden toy rocket is in the shape of a cone mounted on a cylinder. So this is the toy in which the base is in the shape of cylinder and this cone is mounted on this cylinder. The height of the entire rocket is 26 centimeter. The total height is given 26 centimeter, and this centimeter, the height of this conical part is 6 centimeter. The height of this conical portion is 6 and the remaining is the height of cylinder. So 26 minus 6 is how much? 20. Means 20 centimeters the height of cylinder. The base of conical portion has a diameter of 5 centimeter. The base of conical portion, it means this is the base for cone and its diameter is given 5 centimeter. It means the radius of cone is 2.5. And the base of diameter of cylindrical portion is 3 centimeter. Cylindrical portion, this one. The diameter of the cylindrical portion is 3. Its radius is 1.5 centimeter. If the conical portion is to be painted orange and the cylindrical portion yellow, find the area of rocket painted with each of these colors. So we have to find the area of rocket and cylindrical portion separately, because this cylindrical portion colored with which color? Yellow, and the conical part is colored with orange color. So first we will find the area to be painted orange. This one. It means you have to find the total surface area for conical part. So it means curved surface area of cone is covered and this base area, this one. It means area of larger circle minus area of inner circle, or you can say smaller circle. Area of outer circle, area of inner circle. So what is the curved surface area of cone? Pi r l, and the slant height which is not given, so we will find it first. L, it is under root h square plus r square. H is 6 and r is 2.5, because the diameter for this conical part is 5 centimeter, therefore radius is 2.5. So on solving this calculation, we will get 6.5 centimeter. So pi r l, pi r is what? 2.5, and is slanted plus area of outer circle, it is pi r square. Area of inner circle is again pi r square. Take this R2 and R1. R2 is the radius for outer circle, it means radius for cone, and R is the radius of inner circle, it means radius for cylindrical part. Now you will take pi common. 2.5 into 6.5 plus R2. R2 is radius for outer circle, which is 2.5. So 2.5 square minus 1.5 square. 1.5 is radius for inner circle. Pi is 3.14. Multiply this 2.5 and 6.5 is 16.27. 2.5 square is 6.25 and 1.5 square is 2.25. So on subtracting this, we will get 4. 3.14 and is 20.25. So multiply this 3.24, sorry 3.14 and 20.25. 63.585 centimeter square. So this is the area of conical part which is to be colored with orange colors. Alright. Now we have to find the area to be painted yellow, which is the cylindrical portion. So in cylindrical portion, the curved surface area of cylinder is covered and the one base area. The top of the area is not covered because it is fixed with the cone. So we'll count only curved surface area and one base area. So base of this cylindrical portion is in the shape of circle. So we will write here curved surface area of cylinder plus base area. It means area of circle. You can write area of circle, or you can write here base area. So what is the curved surface area of cylinder? It is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH, and inner circle is pi r square. So here pi is common and r is common. 2h plus r. What is the value for pi? 3.14. Radius for cylindrical portion is 1.5. 2 into height. Height of cylinder is 20. So 20 to the 40. Plus radius again 1.5. Now solving this. 41.5 multiply 1.5, 3.14. It is 195.465 centimeter square. So this is the area which has to be painted yellow. Alright. So this is example number 3rd. This is the example number 4. Mayank made a bird bath for his garden in the shape of cylinder with a hemispherical depression at one end. So this is hemispherical depression in this bird bath. Alright. The height of the cylindrical portion is 1.45. The height of the cylindrical bird bath is 1.45 meter. And its radius is 30 centimeter. So here unit is centimeter and here unit is meter. So we have to convert this meter into centimeter, or you can convert centimeter into meter. It's your choice. Find the total surface area of this bird bath. So we have to find the total surface area. It means curved surface area of cylinder and the hemispherical is on the top of this bird bath. It means its also curved surface area is covered. Curved surface area of hemisphere and curved surface area of cylinder. And from the bottom, it is hollow. This bird bath is hollow. It means वो खाली है नीचे से, ठीक है? इस करके सिलेंडर का भी कर्व्ड कवर होगा और हेमिस्फीयर का भी कर्व्ड. दोनों ने उसी प्लस करोगे. You have to add it. Total area of bird bath. So total area of bird bath is curved surface area area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. So curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH, and for hemisphere it is 2 pi r square. Now take 2 common, pi common, and r also common, because radius for both hemisphere and cylindrical portion is same. So it will have h plus r. Now value for pi is again 22/7. The radius, diameter is radius is 30 centimeter. So right here 30. Height is 1.45 meter. So convert it into centimeter. In 1 meter there are 100 centimeter. So it is 145. Multiply with this 100. Alright. Again radius is 30 centimeter. It is 44 into 30/7, 175. 7 to the 14, 7 5 so 35. 44 into 750. It is how much? 75. (33,000 centimeter square). Or you convert it into meter square. It is divided by 10,000. 2 will cancel, 1 will cancel. It is 3.3 meter square. So 3.3 meter square is the total air surface area for this bird bath. So this is example number 4. Thank you.